Good evening, Toastmasters. Good evening. What is one difference between human beings and animals? We, human beings, show different facial expressions. What's in our heart, it shows on our face. What is that one thing we wear to hide all sort of emotions inside? That is the cute little smile on your face, Toastmasters. A smile, it may be a sign of happiness, appreciation, excitement, whatnot. The famous quote by Charlie Chaplin, I have many problems in my life, but my legs don't know that. They always smile. Inspires me a lot to be happy. Why should we smile? It is an uncontrollable emotion. You cannot hide it inside yourself. If you feel happy, it shows on your face. If you feel great, it comes out naturally. Smile says that the door to your heart is open. It is a welcoming gesture to the people around you to feel that you are a very approachable and convenient person. It makes pleasant environment around you. Do you know how many muscles does it take to smile? 17 muscles. Not only your lips, your eyes smile too. People with the soft lines around your eyes reflect your inner beauty of bliss. According to research, scientists show that smiling comes out with practice. It is like a therapy when you are upset. It is said that people who intentionally put on a fake smile ended up feeling the emotion of happiness as gradually they began to smile again and again. Imagine you are on a skydive. You try to open the parachute. If it doesn't open, what is the memory that would flash in your brain? I can confidently tell that it would be the smiling face of someone whom you love a lot. Why smiling face? But why not the angry one when they are running at you? Because a smile, it comes from your heart. It's not that just made by your lips. It's received from your heart. We all take pics and selfies wherever we go. Why do we smile? Because we know that we look pretty and beautiful when we smile. We are capturing some happiest moment. Days later, when you see those pics, you don't remember the situation you are facing then. You just remember that you are smiling and looking pretty in that pic. One of my friends, for whom her father is a best friend, suddenly passed away. Days later, she soon began to laugh and she kept smiling and greet the people warmly. We all were shocked. How could she be after a tragic incident like that? She told that her father is her best friend, who always insisted her to smile and keep people around her happy. So friends, we should smile for those who we love and for those who love us. My brother, who had failed in his CA final exams for more than 3 times, he kept smiling and he maintained the same smile till the end and he kept hard work. So, at last, at his final attempt, he succeeded. It is a smile of confidence and determination. How many of you people like to go to orphanages? Why do people prefer to go to orphanages? Because the most important thing why people prefer to go to orphanages is to see the most innocent smile on the face of those kids. Why children smile all day? But smiling for us is such a big task. Because kids are innocent. They don't have any problems in their life. They're stress-free. So, all the grown-ups love to be around them. It is like you're going to witness some unadulterated happiness. Smile of our parents is like a smile of caring. Friends, smiling is not that easiest emotion. At this stage of life, you have witnessed a lot of problems, done a lot of mistakes, and also you have experienced a lot of memories too. But I could tell that smile, it is a communication between people without any words. excited and if you're expressive, if you're happy, you just smile. But when we are sad, we just feel grumpy this whole day. Right. And so I insist you to keep smiling every day. You just constantly remind yourself to keep smiling. But at last, the pain or the people, the happiness you gain will worth with the time and effort you have made. And friends, there is no hard patience if you smile. Smiling, it's free of cost. So smile.
So everyone please smile. Come on, she just had an awesome topic today. What a wonderful topic it is, yeah. Just give her a round of applause. 100% true that, one attribute of a healthy man is the way he smiles. If he smiles more, definitely he's healthy. But doesn't really apply to everyone. Do you know one person who has a fake smile here? I mean, almost has fake smiles all the time, but is so stressful every time. Exactly. Atul. No, this guy is so stressed every time, but he smiles a lot. Every time I see him, he smiles a lot. Make sure you genuinely smile, okay? She's the one who's saying it to you. So, wonderful topic. I really like the topic and you carry the topic in a really good way. But again, you could have smiled a little bit more. I mean, you are talking about that topic. I think you should try to smile a little bit more. But she smiles a lot, so that's fine. So, a really good opening. I mean, really brought out all that meaning inside that topic. I mean, it's a very powerful topic. It's something that we should actually admire about, should actually, think about. Because we have this so busy and stressful life. So, everybody should try to smile a little bit. Keep a smile. Even for me also, I'm having a lot of things on my hand right now. I'm trying to run a club and trying to do other things as well. Guys, okay? So, it's actually important that we smile more, stay happy, even though we have a lot of things going on in our life. So, brilliant flow of examples, you really brought out the right examples. I really like that orphanage part. When I was a kid, when I was in school, I went with my teachers to an orphanage and I still remember that day. It was so happy to see all the kids, to play with the kids, talk to them. It is really a good thing. So, and it's made me smile a lot that day. So I really felt that day was something, some made a mark upon me. Looking back at that moment, I think that I'm smiling a little bit less. So pretty much I'm sure that I will make it a point. So overall, everything is fine, and your power was really good. I mean, but again, you could have taken it to the next level. So here's the thing: I knew Savana before, we were classmates, and at that time she was this shy and quiet person. Okay, but seeing her today and seeing her give this awesome speech, I am convinced that you are improving, and it is a really good thing, guys, because she is trying her level. Keep the spirit up on the next 6 pieces. Okay, so over to the DM body. Thank you guys.